Bitcoin dips below $25,000, Ether trades above $1,600. Crypto exchange Bybit integrates ChatGPT into trading tools. Voyager app set to reopen for customer withdrawals as soon as June 20. Crypto exchange OKX wins proprietary license in Dubai. Meta Studios and Ajna Lens join hands to reinvent learning with XR. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets stumbled on Thursday after the latest monetary policy decision by the US Federal Reserve indicated more rate hikes later this year. Bitcoin plummeted below the crucial $25,000 levels. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2.3% at 35,680 points. In other news, European Central Bank is certain to increase borrowing costs to their highest level in 22 years and increase interest rates going forward, extending its fight against high inflation even as the Eurozone economy flags, analysts said. In an interesting development, after 10 consecutive rate hikes, the US Central Bank met expectations and paused its rate hiking cycle but also anticipated additional rate hikes going forward this year. In this sense, 2 more hikes of 25 basis points are anticipated until the end of the year, reports said. The global cryptocurrency market traded lower around 4% to $1.02 trillion in the past 24 hours, while the trading volume increased by 34% to $40 billion. Meanwhile, major cryptos mentioned in the SEC actions plunged late with ADA, the token of the Cardano blockchain, recently down more than 5%, but SOL and Matic, the native cryptos of the Solana and Polygon smart contract networks, each of more than 3%. US stock futures dipped after the Federal Reserve skipped a rate hike at its most recent meeting, but signaled 2 more rate hikes may still be in store later this year. Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures fell 37 points or 0.1%. S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures pulled back by 0.3% and 0.5% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $24,890, down 4.2%. BTC has largely been treading waters near $26,000 for most of the past 5 days as investors weighed the initial impact of Securities and US Exchange Commission lawsuits against crypto exchange giants Binance and Coinbase, Fed monetary policy signals, and other macroeconomic uncertainties. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 6.3%, trading at $1,634. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, dropped more than 6% in the past 24 hours as Ether tracked futures lodged the highest liquidations among major at $57 billion out of a total of $143 million across all crypto-tracked futures. BNB was down by 5.3% to trade at $235. Solana SOL was down 3.3% and was trading at $14.6. Cardano's ADA token was down by 6.6% to trade at $0.25. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $11.1, lower 6.2%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 7% to trade at $0.60. Polygon Matic price tumbled following the SEC calling its security losing 20% of its value over the weekend. However, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, in its lawsuit against Coinbase and Binance, named certain cryptocurrencies including Polygon as securities due to their built-in deflationary measures. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2% at $0.060. Shiba Inu was trading down by 3.8%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.47, down by 6.3%. XRP prices tumbled 8.5% earlier in the day, dropped the most among the largest cryptocurrencies as the digital asset markets suffered a sudden sell-off amid FOMC meet outcome. Polkadot was down by 6.7% to trade at $4.3.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Crypto exchange Bybit is integrating a ChatGPT-based artificial intelligence tool in its trading platform to automate market data analysis. The new feature called Tools GPT is an AI chatbot that users can query for technical analysis, back-tested price data, and other essential metrics, the firm said in a press release on Thursday. For example, Bybit traders will be able to analyze future price trends based on past data and technical indicators using the tool. ChatGPT is a chatbot developed by startup OpenAI that uses natural language processing and was released in November 2022. Cryptocurrency brokerage Voyager Digital is preparing to reopen its app and allow customers to finally withdraw their funds nearly 1 year after it filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Voyager's bankruptcy plan administrator Paul Yage said in a June 14 court filing that around June 15 the Voyager app would be updated to show the amount available for withdrawal and estimated that the withdrawal period would start somewhere between June 20 and July 5. The bankruptcy plan was first approved in court on May 17 and will result in customers initially receiving 35.72% of their claims by withdrawing crypto through the Voyager app or in cash after 30 days. Additionally, an extra $445 million of customer funds could also be made available to creditors pending a final resolution of Alameda Research's preference claim against Voyager, which is not expected to happen until at least mid-September 2023. The Middle Eastern arm of OKX, the second largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, has received an MVP proprietary license from the Dubai Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, allowing it to get ready for when the license becomes operational. OKX Middle East has already taken up residence in a new office in Dubai World Trade Center and says it plans to expand the number of staff to 30 with a focus on local hires and senior management. Once the minimal viable product or MVP license becomes fully operational, OKX Middle East will provide spot, derivatives, and fiat services, including US dollar and United Arab Emirates dirham deposits, withdrawals, and spot pairs, the company said in a press release. Ajna Lens, India's premier extended reality hardware manufacturing company, and Meta Studios, one of the leading metaverse and gaming studios today, announced their partnership for building immersive experiences and training programs targeted at upskilling the global youth and adult fraternity, making them competent, capable, and self-sustainable. Ajna Lens aims to solve the problem of unemployment at grassroots level in India to the world of AR and VR technologies. With the new Ajna XR glasses and immersive learning platform Ajna Vidya, users can learn all kinds of skills inside the virtual space. They also allow every user to interact seamlessly with each other and provide leaderboards that measure learning performances and outcomes. Meta Studios is a pioneer in building immersive experiences that deliver deeper engagement and higher retention rates with the end users. By harnessing the principles of humanizing virtual experiences, Meta Studios curates content that fosters active participation and enhances knowledge and learning. It is a part of Meta Engine Group, the team behind building the infrastructure layer for over 500 plus games for the last 20 years. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
Terra Luna Classic co-developer Joint L1 Task Force has made some significant changes to the version 2.1.0 upgrade, changing the name to version 2.1.1. L1 TF developers Till Ziegler of Fradovik and Win Nguyen have made 19 additions, 9 removals to various files according to GitHub release. This covers adding mislabels to WASM client as well as altering logs. WASM will be upgraded to version 1.1.2 and all validators will receive a minimum 5% validator commission. The version 2.1.1 upgrade includes a minimum 5% commission for validators. Cosmo WASM version 1.1.x and 2 security fixes. Other upgrades include an upgrade to WASM version 1.1.2, an upgrade to WASM-D version 0.30.0 for multi-chain functionality for smart contracts, an upgrade to IBC Go version 4.3.1 and bug fixes. With proposal 11561, upgrade to version 2.1.0 formally approved by the LUNC community, the Terra Classic blockchain's largest version 2.1.1 parity update will take place on June 14th. LUNC was trading at 1% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $555 million. Binance Coin has gained 4% in the last 24 hours, reaching $235 as the altcoin attempts to recover from the heavy losses triggered by the SEC's legal action against Binance. Despite today's increase, BNB is still down 15% in a week and 25% in a fortnight, with the exchange token down 4% since the beginning of the year. And while BNB has recovered slightly in the last 24 hours, it's likely that it is a dead cat bounce, considering that a hearing on the SEC's motion to impose a temporary restraining order on Binance US asset is scheduled for today. If the regulator's motion is allowed, BAM, Binance's own US, has warned that it will effectively end its operation, which will surely have serious consequences for Binance as a whole and for BNB. BNB was trading at $236, down 5.50% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $36 billion. Earlier this week, crypto whales traded roughly $60 million on top meme coins, DogeCoin and Shiba Inu, in a 24-hour period. According to the blockchain tracker Whale Alert, the highest single transaction included an unknown wallet transmitting 360 million Doge, valued more than $21 million, to another unknown wallet. Whale Alert reports that the crypto trading business Jump Trading transferred more than 1 trillion SHIB worth of $7 million to an unknown wallet. According to Bitfino charts, Robinhood's wallet is presently the second richest Dogecoin address in the world, holding about $670 million in Doge at the time of writing, or talk about 7.72% of the token's circulating supply. Doge was trading at 2.90% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $8 billion.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3worstv.io or scan the QR code.